Hello students, in this video we will learn about the disease cycle of the pathogen of citrus canker. Xanthomonas citri is the causal organism of citrus canker. The bacterium enters the host through stomata and wounds caused by insects, movement of thorns, etc. After penetration, the pathogen multiplies rapidly in the intercellular spaces, dissolves the middle lamella, and establishes in the cortical region. Mild temperature and good evenly distributed rain are most suitable for the disease. Presence of free moisture on the host surface for at least 20 minutes is essential for successful infection. Infected twigs bearing old lesions on the host plant are the main source of penetration of the pathogen. The pathogen does not survive in the soil or in infected plants parts fallen on the ground. However, the main agent of dissemination of the pathogen and introduction of the disease into new localities is man himself, who transfers the disease through infected nursery stock. Now we will learn about the control measures. Use of healthy and disease-free nursery stock for planning and planting in new orchards. Spraying the nursery stocks with Bordeaux mixture before planting in new orchards. In old orchards, pruning off the affected twigs and spraying with 1% Bordeaux mixture at regular intervals, especially during monsoon. The dropped off diseased leaves and twigs on the ground should be collected and burned. Proper irrigation facilities, application of fertilizers are essential to maintain the growth vigor of the plant. Care should be taken to reduce the attack of leaf miners. Plant quarantine rules must be followed rigidly so that the movement of diseased plant is prohibited. Spraying with some antibiotics such as streptomycin, phytomycin, agromycin are very much effective. Spraying of neem cake at the rate of about 68 kg per acre is highly effective in checking citrus canker disease.